Hey guys, so this is part 2 to today's tutorial. You guys saw that I already did my eyes and my lashes. So I'm just taking it up a notch a little bit with some highlighter, some contouring, for my girls who like a little bit more makeup. So watch till the end to see the entire finished look. If you missed the first half, go check on my channel to see the first half of the video where I'm debuting my lashes, La Rosie's lashes, and this one is La Nena. And you guys can follow me on Instagram as well at La Rosie Makeup Diva. Watch till the end. Alright, I'm back. So this second part of the video is for the people that like to do a little bit more extended makeup. I cut the other half of the video short for my people that like to just wear simple makeup, not too much stuff. But now I'm gonna continue with my face, doing what I normally do for people who do like to wear their makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that concealer, just to get it exactly where I want it to be. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit down here. So I do have some followers that don't like too much makeup. They like simpler makeup. So I figured I'd cut that first half of the video there. For those girls. Alright. I'm gonna grab my contour sticks that I normally use from the Dollar Tree. Alright, this is our LA Colors contour stick. You guys have seen me use that quite a couple of times already. So me and my friend Marissa have been talking about this Maybelline Rewind for the longest now, and we hadn't purchased it. And so recently we both purchased it. And I finally cracked it open to see what it would look like. I'm gonna do a little bit of that contour stick down on my cheek, like right around here. And I'm gonna do a little on my forehead. Okay. And then I'm gonna take that e.l.f. blush that everybody's been using now. These are like cream blushes, you guys. Just the one. Oh, grabbed the wrong one. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one because I don't know what I did with the other one. Hold on. Let's see if I find it. Okay, no, this is the one that I'm looking for. The putty one. Okay. So everybody's doing this new thing now with these cream blushes. I never liked cream blushes just because it takes me back to junior high school. There was this girl named Denise, and she would wear these cream blushes. If you guys know me from junior high, you guys know who I'm talking about. And that is when, ooh, I think I went a little too much. That is when these cream blushes came out. And they came out as a stick. And it was just so weird. And I remember me and my friend back then, Shelly, we thought that it was like the strangest thing, because she would take the stick and she would put like the whole stick on her face. And we were like, yo, that looks really crazy. So I'm still kind of like leery about them. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like if you go too strong, you gotta end up going back and cleaning it up. So let's see how that ends up looking like. And then we could just kind of clean it up a little, I guess. Because then it's just gonna be like too red. Too red, too tanned for me. I think that definitely looks a lot better than that initial full-blown red. Oof, that was like a lot. Alright, I think once we put that translucent powder on there, it'll make a world of a difference. But this is like the new thing. I don't know if I'm doing it right or whatever. We're gonna try it. I just think that they're like, the color's like so strong. And I did do my foundation first, but whatever, c'est la vie. All right, I'm gonna take that same sponge. There's always a method to my madness. It always works out in the end. I always tell people it's not always about the order that you put your makeup on, as long as the look looks good in the end. I think that that's more important, right? I definitely think that that's more important. Okay, I think that looks really good, you guys. Again, that was the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Super cute, right? I love that. I love that. I love that. All right, I think we need a little mascara on the bottom of our eye. So I'm just gonna go in with my Big Ego by Tarte. That kind of gives us a little something more. Hope you guys like this lash. I'm like so obsessed with it right now. Alright, and last but not least, I'm gonna do my brows. I know I should have done that first, but again, Rosie just does whatever she wants whenever she wants to do it. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on. We all know I go to the beat of my own drum, and I'm gonna go in with the highlighter from Zova, the Cocoa Blend palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here on the end. This one is called Desert. We're just gonna go right in there. A little bit on my nose. Oh. Okay, this is for my girls that like a little bit extra, like me. You already know. All right, let me get my eyebrows together. Doing shit all backwards. All right, so I'm gonna use my Brow Bar by Rima. The little compact. I'm just gonna dip right into it with my Sephora brush. Ooh, got the hiccups. Dip right into it with my Sephora brush. That is that. For that, I'm just gonna comb them out just a little bit. They look really good. I did them on Friday night, I believe. I sat here and did my eyebrows. I used like a microblade to do them. Because I only really clean up the bottom of my brow. I don't really have to do too much to my brows. I love the brow bar by Rima compact because it has the mirror right up top. And it just makes it so convenient. Like, you can just throw this in your purse. And if you got to touch up on the go, You just have it in your purse. Isn't that awesome, you guys? I love this. Again, my sister-in-law got it for me from BoxyCharm. Thank you, Letty, because I know you're watching. She gets me all the best stuff. She knows what I love. All right, you guys, so this is it for like a real finished final look. Obviously I used the Elf Putty blush, and I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder and a little bit of that Rewind concealer, just to kind of clean it up a little bit and get it exactly to where I wanted it to look. I used the Zova Cocoa Blend highlighter. So that's just a quick 15-minute video, 20 minutes, to get you from just like a basic look to a more glammed up look. If you want a little bit more glam, you know, with a little bit of contouring. You know, that's one of the reasons I love the LA Colors contour sticks, because they're just so convenient to just like throw in your purse, and like you can go from like just a basic look to a really cute glammed up look. And all of these things are like so compact, they can fit into your makeup bag, you guys. Like, don't you just love it, like how compact and cute some of these things are? All right, so I'm gonna get myself cleaned up. Again, this is my La Nena lashes by me, La Rosie Makeup Diva. It's my new lash line, La Rosie's Lashes. So if you guys are interested, just go follow me on Instagram at La Rosie Makeup Diva. You guys can purchase. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this 2-part tutorial from going from just a basic look with the lash and gloss to a little bit more glammed up contoured look. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Don't forget, always check the clearance out and stay safe out there and wear your mask. Bye, you guys.